Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial of installing a stereo system in a Toyota Camry, 2011 Toyota Camry. But before we start, I wanted you guys to see this. There's more chicken here. Some more chickens over here. You're probably wondering why this one is in the cage. That one I'm gonna eat soon. Yep. Anyway, back to the video. All right. So here we have for this video here we have the equipments that I'm gonna install. So these are the equipments that I bought. I actually bought it off of AliExpress, and it came in. It only really took like a week, which was really impressive. But this year, touchscreen stereo I'm gonna install in my 2011 Camry. Let's go and take a look on the inside here. As you can see, the inside of the Camry. So this is a before video of it. As you can see, it's the old original radio on it. All right. So let me see here. Okay, guys, these are the tools needed. It's really I'm trying to make this video so that you guys can know how simple this really is, right? All you really need is just the basic tools. Here we have a plier here. I made a wrench, and then we have some of these screwdrivers and stuff. Just the basic tool, really. That's all you need to do this, to take care of this installation. Yeah. So let's get it moving. But so in order to start the installation, it is more than recommended that you disconnect the battery, right? And for apparent reasons, because you don't want to shock yourself or mess up anything while you are installing the stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right quick. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old stereo here. As you can see, I'm gonna start by just doing this here. Pretty easy, right? But yeah, I'm gonna take care of that now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm almost done here. While you're taking this stuff out, you have to take all these out here. As you can see here, took all this from here, the gear bar here. You gotta take everything out. I'm almost done taking this off, so this whole thing has to come out. Stay tuned. Okay, so here is the old stereo. I finally got it out. As you can see, those are the wires and stuff. For now, all I have to do is I have to just take this top part off, right? See the top part? In order to do that, I have to take these screws off. So it's 3 on this side and 3 on this side right here. So those are the screws that I have to take off, so I can take this top part off and replace it with this one. That's it. All right. So as you can see, I have finally taken this off. So this was on here like this, right? I removed the screws here, and now it's empty. I've taken it off. Now all I have to do is See my screen here? That goes on top here. So I'm gonna just clip this back on here and screw it back up, and it should be good to go. And now I can go ahead and install, reinstall it back on. Okay, guys, I'm finishing up here with the installation. You can see this. It's the last piece here that I have to put together, or second to the last, I should say. But it's pretty much done. It was not hard, right? It's actually easy, but it's just steps that you have to follow. I didn't have to buy any other frame or anything like that. I just used whatever came with the box, and yeah, pretty much. And this is the last piece I put back on. This is my gear, my stick gear here. And like I said, it was not hard at all. So it's really just time, I'd say like about maybe like 2.5 to 3 hours about. I was able to do the whole thing. Now I would have actually been able to do it in like 2 hours had I done it all in one day. But yeah, that's this is it right here. And yeah, so this is the system, and it has a GPS. It has Google Map now. It has it can connect to. It has a Wi-Fi, so you can connect to my phone. Here I have the apps that are available on it. So here is the Chrome app. If I want to, browse the net, this is the map here. The Play Store. So if I want to download any app. And by the way, for my system, I still have like 6 more gigabyte of space, which is pretty fair for a car. So here is YouTube. Matter of fact, I can open up YouTube here. Yeah, it needs to connect to my hotspot. When I allowed it to connect to my hotspot, it would start working on YouTube. Okay, guys, I just turned on my hotspot now. As you can see, this is YouTube. You can watch whatever you want. Let's watch this thing here on Tesla. So you can watch movies, whatever.
I'm about to blow your mind. Did you know you're not supposed to rinse your mouth out with water after you brush your teeth? Rinsing it with water will actually get rid of all the fluoride and beneficial things that are in toothpaste. I'm sure that.
Let's skip that right there. Escape there.
Hi, welcome to another episode of Cold Fusion. I know, 2 episodes in 2 days. I'm very pleased that a lot of you enjoyed yesterday's episode. How interesting are the wild and surprising creative uses for AI? It was one of my favorite episodes, so be sure to check it out after this. The topic in today's episode I thought was pretty important, and it had to be timely. So that's why you're seeing this second episode right after the last one. Tesla Motors has been in the headlines for many reasons recently, from parabolic stock prices to a CEO who has extracted rage from mobs on Twitter. But in this episode, we'll take a quick look at some of the recent announcements on future plans for the company. If Tesla can actually achieve what they're talking about, it's going to take from a specialized motor company to mainstream, all the while helping battery technology along the way.
The radio, and by the way, the radio is pretty good as well. So let's turn on the radio here. All this preset. It has some music here. I gotta say, I'm very impressed. For $100, yeah, this whole thing right here cost me $100, and it has everything. Actually, it also came with a backup camera, but I didn't install that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. You guys can do it. If I can do it, I'm just an average Joe Blow. If I can do it, you guys can do it. It's pretty easy. Just need, tools. My tools here. Just need tools and some time. You'll be able to do it yourself. You don't need to go to any mechanics to pretty much so that they can rip you off with their high prices and stuff. So you don't have to do all that. You can just do it yourself. Anyway, you guys, that's it. Make sure to smack that like button, subscribe, hit the bell. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.